Good morning everyone! Nandito po ako sa Phase 1. Sa lahat po na naghahanap ng Bella Vista Phase 1 para po mas mabilis yung turnover. Ano po ba ibig sabihin nun? Ito po si Beatrice model, diba? Ito naman po si Bettina model. Kapag Phase 1 po kasi yung napili natin, kahit na hindi pa tinatayo yung unit, for example, lote pa lang siya, yung slot, diba? Kapag nabayaran mo na yung down payment in full, pwede na po nating start yung construction ng bahay. So kapag Bella Vista Phase 1, dahil may community na dito, possible po dito yung 1 year turnover. Okay? Possible po siya sa Bella Vista Phase 1. Sa Bella Vista Phase 2 lang naman, which is already 90% sold, yung talagang pre-selling natin na after 24 months, full DP yung start ng unit construction. Okay po, are we clear on that? So, I'm just gonna do it very quick because this just came out yesterday and today I was able to drop by. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga subscribers ko or hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na sa channel ko. Napakadami ko na pong house tour dito sa Bella Vista, yung kanilang mga model, di ba guys? So, ito yung ating Beatrice model. So, this is Beatrice model and this is Bettina model. So, Bettina model po ito. So, ang gusto ko lang pong ipakita sa inyo guys is itong actual slots na available natin. Magbibigay ako ng sample computation tapos ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kung saan siya nakapwesto. Ano pa lang yun ha, for construction itatayo pa lang. Okay, so kapag po tayo ay nag-Bettina model, nag-Bettina dito, ang natitira lang na reopen natin ay very few, 2 to 3 slots lang. Magbibigay ako ng isang example sample computation. May cash out na po ha, kasi phase 1 to. May cash out na, required yung cash out within 7 days, kailangan mo agad mabayaran. So ito po siya, ayan po. Dahil first come first serve dito guys, ayan, pinapakita ko na kaagad yung kanyang sample computation. Para naman, ang una mong gawin, mag-reserve ka na for 10,000. I-secure natin yung slot kasi sobrang daming mag-uunahan yan. Secure natin yung slot kasi online reservation naman. Kahit OFW ka or nasaan ka man panig ng mundo, pwede mo nang ma-secure yung slot. You just have to contact me, okay? So, ayan siya guys ha. Bettina model, nakita niyo yung sample computation ni Bettina. Yan. Tapos, ito naman si Beatrice model, 'di ba guys? Ayan. So, itong si Beatrice model guys, ayan, pinapakita ko na rin yung sample computation on the screen ni Beatrice model. So, ayan guys, si Beatrice model. Phase 1 po tayo, phase 1. Kaya po siya may cash out dahil phase 1 po siya, kaya siya may cash out. So, disclaimer ha, hindi ito yung actual slot na binibenta ko, may owner na yan. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo sa screen yung itsura ng model unit, yung difference nila. So, ito si Bettina, ito naman si Beatrice, okay? So, dito naman tayo sa technical details nila, alright? So, si Bettina model, ayan yung kanyang floor area at lot area na available for phase 1, ayan. At si Beatrice model naman, ayan yung kanyang available na floor area at lot area sa phase 1. Okay guys, so again, first come first served only. Bella Vista Phase 1, may community na po. In terms of location, we are 100% no history of flood. We are near NLEX, Philippine Arena exit. We are near Muzon, San Jose del Monte, kaya accessible din sa future MRT7. We are also highly accessible to the future BGC of the North na ginagawa na ngayon, North Wind by, by Mega World. So, mga less than 30 minutes drive lang guys. So, imagine guys, napakaganda po ng location ng Bella Vista. Kaya naman yung phase 2 na pre-selling na rin almost sold out na. Kaya we're just lucky na mayroon tayong very few reopen, limited slots sa phase 1. Kaya ngayon guys, papakita ko kung hanapin natin yung pwesto niya sa mapa. Pero napakita ko naman yung sample computation. Kung okay kayo dyan, andyan na naman sa screen ko nagpa-flash yung aking contact number, diba guys? So, kontakin nyo ako kaagad. Mabilisan update lang kasi to, diba? Kasi para lang yan sa announcement ng Bella Vista 1. So, what are you waiting for? Online reservation. ID lang ang kailangan ko at proof of 10,000 reservation. Yung slot masisecure na sa'yo. Bibigyan kita ng 7 days para mabayaran mo yung 5% na required cash out. Okay? So, let's go guys! Good luck everyone. Oh my gosh, guys, you wouldn't believe this. Like, trust me. Napakaganda nung slot. Guys, alam niyo ba, I was looking at Bella Vista Phase 1 map. Tinignan ko yung isa sa mga reopen nila. Oh my gosh! Kontakin mo na agad ako. Napakaganda ng pwesto niya. You wouldn't believe this. Ang laki ng lote. Tapos, along the main road, katabi ng entrance gate. Worth it siya sa kanyang price. Believe me and trust me, worth it na worth it yung pwesto niya. Very prime sa kanyang price. Kaya, kontakin mo kaagad ako. Eto na! So, ito guys. Etong katabi na to na tinatayo. Dito. Ayan. Imaginein mo yung slot na tinuturo ko ha. Main road to ha. Main subdivision road to, main subdivision road, entrance gate yan. Pakita ko sa inyo napakaganda ng pwesto. Facing the main subdivision road, which is a 12-meter wide road. Alright? 12-meter wide road. And, let me just show you quickly. Yan. So, yeah, session na kayo guys kasi I was just driving slow here para mas ma-emphasize ko, diba? So, ito yung slot. Ayan mismo. Oh my gosh, napakaganda. I-online reservation mo na kaagad. 10,000 lang yan. 5% lang yung cash out. Pinakita ko naman sa screen yung diba? Sample computation kanina. Yun na yun. Guys, ito na. Entrance gate. That is the main road. Yung main road na yun ang tawag dyan, Governor Halili Tungkong Manga Road. To the left is going to Philippine Arena. To the right is going to MRT 7 SM San Jose del Monte. Alright guys, so what are you waiting for? Don't forget to contact me right now, as soon as possible para ikaw yung mauna. At dahil phase 1 to at special to guys, 1 horsepower window type aircon, January 2025, my promo. Phase 1. What are you waiting for? Again, my name is Nicole. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Sana mauna kayo. Good luck po. See you all soon. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.